It's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today I've got something interesting. This hails from China, and it was founded at S-Mart, Shop Smart, Shop S-Mart. This is, what is this called? 3 Bowls of Rice Noodles brand? I don't know. Instant rice noodles, vegan tomato mushroom soup. So this is an interesting one because you got all this. So let's start dealing with it. There's a lot to put into this pot, and you just bring it to a boil for 3 minutes, and then that's it. This mushroom bag, mushroom soup bag. I'll be the first to admit I'm not a huge fan of mushrooms, but I do like tomato. So this is mushroom soup. Oh yeah, it is. Full of shroomness. And then we've got the mushroom bag. A lot of retort pouch action, and it's vegan. That's how they're pulling all this action. Whoa. Okay. Oh yeah, I'll show you that while it's doing what it does. And then this is a tomato paste, vegan tomato condensed soup bag. Everything's a bag, not a sachet, pouch, packet, or anything like that. Here's our condensed soup. It's an amazing thing. And then we got our noodles, and there's more. There's more. I'll put the noodles in last. Then we got this, which is our vegetable. I think this goes in last after it's done its cooking. And then we've got our rice noodle. So I think basically you bring it all up to temp and that's it. So let's put it on the burner, turn it on high, and see what happens. Get rid of this junk. So it does come with, this is interesting. You got a fork. What's this? This is chopsticks. Something you don't often see. That's the funny thing. People will get cranky because I use a fork. But rarely do you get instant noodles that come with a utensil that is anything other than a fork. So it's like they make the argument, it's more authentic when you use chopsticks. It's like, okay, white guy, you know, I'm guessing you put shoe polish on your face when you listen to rap too, huh? That's disturbing. But yeah, they have chopsticks. Are they flimsy? No, they're chopsticks. I prefer to use a fork. That's what I've used since I was a little kid. So, kind of makes sense, doesn't it? Yeah. I don't know, it's not really doing anything over here yet. But we'll give it yeah, it doesn't say. It says then just like cook it for 3 minutes, but I'm guessing that has to be after it starts actually cooking because it's not hot yet. Yeah. So, was it yesterday? Day before yesterday, when I did 4 reviews, they're all 4 cups. They're actually all 4 Nissen cups. 2 were from Japan, 2 were from Germany. Weird combo. And today I'm doing 3 of these premium ones that come in a new form factor. It almost looks like a lunch bag, and that's kind of like what I refer to them as, lunch bag ramen. And there's this one, there's one from Taiwan, and then another one from China. And then I'm just doing a regular Japanese ramen bowl. So, but I got up nice and early, got out the top 10 instant noodle cups of all time, 2024 edition. Granted, it's 2023 still, but when it's kind of leaning towards the second half of the year, I just, because it's going to be a current list for more of the next year than it'll be for this year. See? That's the logic, I think. But it's starting to make noises, so I'm just turning this on. Rice noodle, tomato mushroom. Oh boy. Oh boy. Yeah. So yesterday it got really hot. Yesterday it got up to 90 something. I guess the high here was 90. I was down in Seattle, went to the U District with my buddy Matt, the author, and hung out and walked around, and got a new poster. Just gave me a belated sounds better than late. He didn't have to get me a birthday present, but he got me a very thoughtful one. It's a promotional poster, like a little handbill for Space Battleship Yamato, known better in the United States as Star Blazers. Both are aficionados of that program, anime. But yeah, come on, heat up. It's not very instant. But yeah, down in Seattle it was roasty. We went to this place called Master Bing, I think it was called. And they had John Bing. But it was like there's a thin egg outside with black sesame seed. Then you've got different fillings and stuff. I got the one with Chinese donut. Chinese donut isn't like a donut. It's not like a Bismarck, a Pershing, a Cruller, a Bear Claw, Maple Bar, Old Fashioned. It's not like it powdered, raspberry filled, custard filled, chocolate, cinnamon. Not like that. It's different, but it's really freaking good. And I could pull it off. I don't know if this is the no. So I'm just gonna have to go with I don't know on this one as far as the cooking instructions go. It had it in English, but it's not really. Maybe it was bring to a boil. I'll have to look at that again. But what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna wait for these noodles to completely loosen and be happy. I think that's a requirement. We're almost there. But yeah, and it's like folded up, kind of like a burrito, like a Chinese street food burrito. And you get that with fries and a lemonade. Or you can get it with soy milk, which I wish I would have realized you could get it with soy milk, because freaking soy milk and Chinese donut. First thing we did, last time I got to Taiwan, went out for Chinese donut and soy milk. I actually didn't have any soy milk, but I should have. Soy milk with that is really good. Yeah. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. Tasty Asian food is where it's at. Trust me, you like it. Okay, I think I think our noodle is free-flowing. I think we're good. But I dropped our friend, Clocky, on the floor. Sorry, Clocky. Didn't mean to allow that to happen. Wow, this smells pretty good. Vegan tomato, huh? Now, being a rice noodle, I don't know if it's gluten-free, and I'd kind of doubt it, but you never know. But here's our vegetable garnish. And here's what it looks like. Mushrooms and, yeah. So let's give it a go. A try, a flavor taste. Yes. I'm gonna say that I'm gonna guess that this rice noodle, when I taste it now, is gonna barely taste like the broth, because rice noodle doesn't tend to suck up broth. A little. Not bad. Okay. So there's some noodle, some mushroom. That's a nice looking spoon. It's interesting because I'm smelling notes of Szechuan pepper, and I tasted it, but it was really light. That is really hot. That's quite good. The mushroom in this, imparts a good meatiness. That's really good. What do you know? And it's vegan. That's a really, yeah. I will say I like that more than I really expected to. Okay, let's make it so. I was gonna put egg in there, but I really don't see much point. We'll leave it vegan. Throw in our unhealthy amount of scallion. I don't know who said that to me way back. You use an unhealthy amount of scallions, you know. Still just like cracks me up. But it's a vegetable. Yeah, it's got a nice thickness to it. There's some sesame seed, and then we're gonna add in some crushed red pepper. And I think that's good. I mean, this is really good stuff. If you can find it, you should give it a try. It's quite an apt combo, and I recommend it thoroughly. So Rotato, do your stuff. Oh, come on. All right, thanks for watching. The next one you're going to see is from our friends at Mom's Dry Noodle. This is the new Mom's Dry Noodle Surf Mama Goose Oil Jajang Noodle. Oh boy, I bet you this is going to be good. So that'll be on the next episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. It makes me happy. So you should do it. All right, have a good one. Bye-bye.